Miranda Peterson. I'm the owner and founder of Namaste in Nature. We are a yoga, meditation, and hiking experience based in Asheville, North Carolina. I just wanted to share with you a few short yoga flows that will get you more in touch with the elements. I hope you enjoy this air-based flow.
So thank you for joining me for this air-centered yoga flow today. The air element is associated with the fourth chakra, Anahata, which is the heart chakra located in the sternum. This is associated with love, openness, freedom, mobility, positivity, and intellect. So today we're going to focus on chest and heart opening poses. And I'd like to start with a short meditation. This is called Metta, or loving kindness meditation. And there are longer versions online, but I have kind of a short, easy one. So just get in a comfortable seated position. Relax legs and the shoulders and the jaw. Imagine a little string is kind of tied to your head, pulling you up so you have a nice straight spine. And you're just going to think to yourself in your head, I wish health, happiness, and freedom from harm for all living beings. So just repeat that a few times. I wish health, happiness, and freedom from harm for all living beings. Keep repeating it in your head. And imagine this loving kindness energy just emanating from you on all sides, going out to all parts of the world, all people, all animals, all of nature. Just a few more times. I wish health, happiness, and freedom from harm for all living beings. Okay, you can gently open your eyes if you like, and we'll start with a pranayama or breathing exercise called anumloa viloma. So you're going to take the right hand and bring the first two fingers down. Gently bring the thumb to the right nostril, closing the right nostril. Inhale through the left. Gently close the left nostril with those outer two fingers. Open the thumb and the right nostril and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Gently close. Exhale through the left. Okay, we'll do that a few more times. Inhale left. Close. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close. Exhale left. Do this a few more times with your own breath, alternating breathing in each nostril. This is a really balancing breath. It's going to balance the left and right sides of the body, left and right sides of the brain, kind of balances masculine and feminine, lunar and solar, and makes you aware if you have one dominant nostril. And after you finish your last round, gently return your right hand to your knee. Take a few normal breaths just to notice the difference, even inhales and exhales. We'll start with a few neck rolls. So gently inhale, rolling the neck back, and exhale, rolling the neck forward. Just gentle, slow rotations, then reverse. Do a few in the opposite direction. Then we're going to come to hands and knees for cat-cow. So bring your hands and wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, Inhale, dropping the belly down. Exhale, rounding the spine. Inhale, dropping the belly down for cow. Exhale, rounding the spine for cat. Inhale and exhale. Imagine that breath traveling up and down the spine. This is a great way to move and warm up the spine and lubricate all those vertebrae. Inhale the right arm up. Exhale, release the right arm underneath the left, gently resting on the right side of the head and right shoulder. And inhale that right arm back up. Exhale, release. Inhale the left arm up. Exhale, thread the needle, release the left arm underneath the right. Let's take a breath here. And inhale that left arm up. Exhale and release. And then we're going to come down to our bellies on the mat. Bring the hands underneath the shoulders and inhale up for a baby cobra. Nice, legs together, feet pointed. Then exhale, release down. Bring the arms out to the side. You can kind of tent the arms, so just the fingertips are on the earth. Arms are wide. Inhale up to center. Then exhale, release the right shoulder towards the mat. Inhale back to center. Exhale the left shoulder towards the mat. A few more times. Inhale up. Exhale right shoulder down, looking at your left hand. Inhale up, center. Exhale left shoulder down, looking towards your right hand. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, and bring the hands back underneath the shoulders and rest the head for a moment. And we'll push up and back into child's pose. So two options here, either knees together, and that'll give you a little more stretch in the back, or big toes together and knees wide, and this will stretch the hips. Either way, just taking a breath or two here, completely relaxing and releasing. And we'll inhale back up onto hands and knees, curl the toes under, and push the hips up and back for downward dog. Start warming up the legs by alternating bending the right and left knees. This is called walking the dog. And we'll inhale the right leg up and exhale, bring it forward between the hands. Inhale both arms up. And come into a high lunge. Bring both arms out to the side, nice wide arms, opening the heart. And then interlace the hands behind the back, bringing the hands down towards the earth. And we'll exhale forward into humble warrior, bringing the hands up off of the lower back if possible. It's going to be a nice stretch for the shoulders. And then we'll come back to lunge, inhaling the arms up, slight back bend here, and then exhale, fold forward. Inhale the right leg back and release it to the earth. Inhale the left leg up, we'll repeat on the opposite side, drop that left foot in between the hands. Come up into a high lunge. Reaching the fingertips up towards the sky, opening the arms, opening the heart. And then release the arms behind the back, interlacing the hands. Slight back bend here as the hands reach towards the earth, and then exhale, fold forward into humble warrior. Lifting the hands off the lower back, if it's okay for the shoulders. We'll come back up to a lunge, slight back bend here, and then exhale forward. Bring that right foot forward to the top of the mat, and exhale, release into a forward fold. You can grab opposite elbows and sway side to side here. You can just release the arms towards the earth. Just enjoy that feeling of gravity pulling you down. And we'll slowly roll up to standing, one vertebrae at a time. Inhale the arms up and down to heart center. We'll do a few Surya Namaskaras, sun salutations, inhaling arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, flat back, bringing the hands up the shins. Exhale and fold. Inhale, step back to plank, either knees up or knees down. Exhale, lower down to the earth, elbows in by your sides. Point the toes, inhale up for cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Taking a breath here, inhale, pushing the hips up, exhale, pushing the hips back. Inhale, step or hop forward. Exhale and fold. Inhale, arms up towards the sky. Optional back bend here, and then exhale, hands to heart center. A couple more times. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, flat back with hands up the shins. Exhale and fold. Inhale, step or hop back to plank. Exhale, lowering down. Hands underneath the shoulders, pointing the toes. Inhaling up for cobra or upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, step or hop forward. Exhale and fold. Inhaling the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Do one more with your own breath and your own pace. Just kind of feeling each movement and each posture individually. It's like a moving meditation for the whole body. And when you've finished that last sun salutation, we'll meet in Tadasana at the top of the mat, feet about hip width apart, grounded into the earth. Relax the shoulders, palms open. Notice any changes in the body. We'll start cloud salutations. So you'll start pouring the weight into the left leg. Inhale the right knee up with the right hands. Inhale the left knee up with hands in Anjali Mudra, raising them up towards the sky like you're floating towards the sky like a cloud. Exhale, slowly lower them back down. Inhale, right knee up. With the hands, imagine there's a string tied from your hands to your knee. Then exhale, releasing back down to the earth. This left side, inhaling up. Exhaling down. Do a few more here. And this is like a gentle sequence. If you're ever feeling really heavy and want to release some negative energy or some energetic weight, you can do the cloud salutations, and it'll just kind of make you feel lighter afterwards. Last time. Okay, and then gently bend the right knee, clasp that with the right hand, and bring the left arm up as a counterbalance. Feel free to stay here or kick that right foot into the right hand, leaning forward for dancer pose. Again, keeping the head and heart and chest lifted. Then exhale. Release the right foot slowly to the mat. Come back to center. We'll pour the weight into the right foot. Grab the left foot with the left hand. I find it easier to grab the inside of the foot. Raise the right arm as a counterbalance and either stay here or kick that left foot into the left hand, leaning the right hand forward for dancer pose. Slight micro bend in the right knee. And then slowly coming back to center, releasing the left leg to the earth. And we'll make our way down to the mat in a plank position. Nice, and we'll push back into a child's pose. Just taking a breath or two here to cool and calm the body. And we're going to come forward into Sphinx Pose. So your elbows are going to be underneath your shoulders, palms out in front of you, facing down. Just kind of pushing down into the earth with the arms, releasing any tension here. Option to come into seal pose by straightening the arms. It's a little more intense on the lower back, so if it doesn't feel good, feel free to return to Sphinx Pose. Either option is fine. And if you took seal, come back to Sphinx, returning the elbows to the earth. Gazing forward just in front of your mat. Then bring the arms back behind you, turn one cheek to the earth and completely relax. And inhale, interlace the hands behind the back and lift the head, the heart, and the chest off the earth. Bring the hands towards the heels. Or inhale. And then exhale, release. Turn the opposite cheek to the mat. Resting here. You have the option to do the same thing we just did, interlacing the hands, or bend the knees, bring the heels towards the hips and grab the feet. And we'll inhale up for bow pose. Option to bring just the chest off the earth, or lift the thighs off the earth as well. A little bit of an extra challenge. It really helps to kick the feet into the hands, kind of like we did in Dancer. And when you're ready, exhale, release down towards the earth. And then push back into child's pose. Again, this is a counter posture for back bends. And then we'll flip over onto our backs on the mat. Bring the feet underneath the knees, arms alongside the body. And push down into the earth and lift the hips up for bridge pose. You want to make sure the legs are parallel here. You might want to imagine squeezing a block in between the knees. Option to interlace the hands behind the back. Kind of push down into the earth to lift the hips up a little bit higher. When you're ready, exhale and release the hips down towards the earth. Bring the knees into the chest, give yourself a little hug and rock side to side, so it feels like a little lower back massage. And then extend the arms to each side. Exhale, release the knees to the right. It's a supine twist. You can look either up or away from the knees. And feel the stretch in the left side body. Another breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Then inhale the knees back to center. Exhale, dropping them to the opposite side. Again, you can look up towards the sky, or you can look away from the knee to deepen the twist. And feel free to adjust your knees closer or farther away from your arms to keep the knees on the floor. You want to make sure both shoulders are also kind of glued to the earth. Breathing into the right side body. Inhale the knees back to center. And extend the arms and legs out, preparing for Shavasana. corpse pose. It's our final relaxation pose. Make any final adjustments to get comfortable. You might want to cover up with a blanket. The body temperature tends to drop during Shavasana when we're not moving anymore. Make sure you feel completely comfortable for the next few minutes. Start to take some deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. And I like to incorporate a little bit of Yoga Nidra at the end of practice to help deepen the relaxation. So when I say a part of the anatomy, bring your awareness to that part and gently tell it to relax. We'll start with the toes. Relax the toes. Relax the feet. Relax the heels and the ankles. Relax the legs and the knees. And relax the hips. Relax the lower back. Relax the upper back and the shoulder blades. Relax the hips. And relax the abdomen. Relax the chest. And relax the shoulders. Relax the upper arms. Relax the elbows. Relax the lower arms and the wrists. Relax the hands and relax the fingers. Relax the back of the neck. Relax the back of the head. Relax the jaw. Relax the cheeks and the tongue. Relax the eyelids. Relax the eyebrows. Relax the forehead. Relax the top of the head and the scalp. So the whole body is relaxed. The whole body is relaxed. The whole body is relaxed. Feel the whole body here. Imagine you are floating on a cloud, softly and securely and safely. So bring your awareness to your breath or your third eye space. Enjoy a few moments of peace and stillness. And when you're ready to come back, invite movement into the body, maybe wiggling the fingers and toes. And then bring the knees over to one side, resting the head on the hands, almost in a fetal position. Take a breath or two here, before pushing up to a comfortable seated position. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. So namaste.
I hope you enjoyed this yoga practice. Our website is namasteinature.com. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook. Check out our website for more information and check out our blog every Friday. Hope to see you if you're ever in Asheville, North Carolina. Namaste and have a great day.